When you receive the product, you will obtain the following. Be careful when removing the metal frame securing the dirt bike to avoid cuts. Protective gloves are recommended. Remove the 4 screws located under the lower handlebar clamp. Align the 4 screw holes under the lower handlebar clamp with the mounting holes on the top of the front fork. Install and tighten the 4 handlebar clamp fixing screws. First, tighten the 2 screws on the upper handlebar clamp that are closest to the front of the bike. Adjust the handlebar to your preferred angle. Once adjusted, tighten the 2 screws on the upper handlebar clamp closest to the rear of the bike. Adjust the angle of the screen display. Tighten the screws to secure the screen display once adjusted. Note that the brake levers are side-specific. Remove the 2 screws securing the brake lever clamp and remove the lower part of the clamp. Confirm the left and right sides, then install the brake levers as shown in the video. Install the lower part of the brake lever clamp. Install and tighten the brake lever clamp screws. Install the brake lever on the other side using the same method. Adjust the angle of the button panel. Tighten the button panel fixing screws. Adjust the angle of the horn button. Tighten the horn button fixing screws. Locate the wiring harness assembly. Connect the connectors according to their color and shape. Organize the wiring harness and install the spiral cable protector as shown in the video. Remove the 2 screws securing the front fender. Align the mounting slot under the front fender with the front fender support bracket. Install the front fender. Install and tighten the 2 front fender fixing screws. One person should lift the rear of the dirt bike. Another person should align the top screw hole of the rear shock absorber with the upper mounting hole on the frame. Install the upper fixing bolt for the rear shock absorber once aligned. Install the upper fixing nut for the rear shock absorber and tighten it. Remove the front brake disc spacer block. Remove the nut securing the front axle rod. One person should lift the dirt bike slightly. Lift until the axle rod can be removed smoothly. Remove the axle rod and the axle sleeve. Install the front wheel. Insert the brake disc into the brake caliper. Install the axle rod. Install the short axle sleeve on the side without the brake disc. Install the long axle sleeve on the side with the brake disc. Install and tighten the axle rod nut. Remove the 2 rear fender fixing screws. Install the rear fender. Install and tighten the rear fender fixing screws. This is the charging port.